What's going on, guys? This is TJ from First Choice Tires here in Beverly, Mass. We're here today. We're going to show you guys a 4runner that we did with the TRD wheel and some BF Goodrich tires. Check out what we have. Alright guys, so we have a 2017 Toyota 4runner with the TRD 17-inch wheels. They're mounted with some 265/70/17 BF Goodrich all-terrain tires. Looks really good. Remember, you can get wheels and tires here at our Beverly store, at our Revere store, and Nashua. Don't forget, First Choice Tires is your first and best choice to get all your tires and wheels. Don't forget to like, share, and follow us. Thank you.